All right, welcome to Module 4, where we are diving headfirst into Google Cloud's Big Data and Analytics Grid. Look, if you're ready to get past the 101 level stuff and really dig into how modern companies are building the absolute future of data, well, you are in exactly the right place.
I want to kick things off with this idea, because it's just perfect. Data is the fuel, and we've built the refinery. This says it all, right? It's not just about collecting mountains of data anymore. The real game is about refining it, with incredible speed and precision, into something that gives you an edge. And that refinery, that super powerful framework, that's what we're calling the data grid.
So what is this data grid thing really? Well, it's definitely not just a random pile of tools. Think of it more like a complete blueprint, an entire architectural framework. It's this modern, deeply interconnected ecosystem that's built from the ground up for high-speed, super smart analytics. And here's the kicker. It's designed to run beautifully everywhere, on-prem, in the cloud, even across multiple clouds. Okay, to really wrap our heads around the grid, we have to start with its very first and maybe most important principle, decentralize. And that brings us to one of the biggest ideas in data architecture today, the data mesh.
You know, for years, pretty much everyone used a centralized data lake or warehouse. And it was all managed by one central team that, let's be honest, was usually completely swamped. This created massive bottlenecks and just slowed everything down. Well, the data mesh completely flips that script. Instead of one central logjam, you move to a decentralized world where the real experts, the people who actually know the data inside and out, they own their data as a product. This just unleashes them to build, to share, and to innovate all on their own.
So how does this actually work in the real world? Well, a really solid data mesh has 4 key players. First, you've got your data producers. These are the domain teams creating and polishing the data products. Then you have the data consumers who can easily find and use those products. And holding it all together, you have a central governance team that sets the rules of the road and a self-service platform team that gives everyone the tools they need. It's all about collaboration.
So why go through all this trouble? I mean, what's the payoff? The benefits are absolutely huge. When you start treating data like a product, the quality and the trust in that data just skyrocket. Your domain teams get the freedom to move fast, which slashes the time it takes to get new ideas out the door. It's all about becoming more agile and getting real value from your data faster than you ever thought possible.
Okay, on to our second principle, accelerate. So once you've decentralized everything, the next great frontier is speed. We're talking about absolutely killing latency. So why does every single millisecond matter? You know, in the world we live in today, latency isn't some abstract tech problem, it's a massive business problem. For a financial trading platform, shaving off a few milliseconds can mean millions. For a recommendation engine, it's the tiny gap between making a sale and losing a customer for good. Speed is literally the new currency.
Let's make this real. This isn't just some vague goal. For a lot of AI and ML services, a pretty common target is keeping that inference latency under 300 milliseconds for 95% of all requests. What that means is your system can't just be fast on average. It has to be incredibly, consistently fast. And that's a seriously high bar that forces you to rethink your entire architecture. So how in the world do you hit a target like that? Well, there are 2 key strategies that are making all the difference. The first is continuous replication, which lets you move data in near real-time into systems like BigQuery. This means your analytics are always running on the freshest data possible. And then you've got edge hybrid patterns, which push the heavy lifting closer to where the data is actually being born. This is absolutely critical for things like IoT or retail, where you might have spotty internet. Okay, so we've decentralized and we've accelerated. That brings us to our third and final principle, analyze. This is the payoff. This is where we turn all that raw data, all that noise, into what the finance world calls alpha, a real, tangible, competitive advantage. And this is where that data refinery we talked about really starts to hum. And the Google Cloud Toolkit is the engine. You've got cloud storage as your massive data lake, your raw material. BigQuery is your core processing engine, this unbelievable serverless warehouse for analytics at any scale. Then Vertex AI is where you build the finished product, your machine learning models. And hey, for super specialized work, you can even run R right on the platform. Every tool has its job, all working to turn data into serious value. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what alpha looks like in the real world. This quote from the financial services world shows that a high-performance system did way more than just crunch numbers faster. It actually enabled traders to have higher quality conversations with their clients. Think about that.
That led directly to better business, like tighter spreads and firmer liquidity. That is what turning noise into alpha is all about. Okay, so now we get the core ideas behind the data grid, the what and the why. So let's talk about the how. Here's a quick look at the roadmap for this whole series. Over the course of this playlist, we are going to get our hands dirty with all of this stuff. You're going to master how to bridge the gap between data lakes and warehouses, how to orchestrate a full-blown data mesh, and we'll do a deep dive into killing latency with continuous replication. We'll even cover locking down your data with BigQuery and get into some advanced data science with R. So there you have it. We've laid out the vision, a data ecosystem that's decentralized, accelerated, and incredibly intelligent. We've shown you the tools, we've shown you the roadmap. The only question left is, are you ready to activate the grid? Let's get into it.